Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to clear PrinterSpooler in Windows 10 quickly and easily, so you can fix stuck print jobs and get your printer working again. Step 1. Right-click on the Start icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Run. This opens a small window where you can type commands to access system tools. Step 2. Type services.msc into the Run box and click OK. This will open the Services window where all Windows services are listed and managed. Step 3. In the Services window, press the P key on your keyboard to jump directly to services starting with the letter P. This makes it faster to find the service we need. Step 4. Locate PrinterSpooler in the list and double-click on it. The PrinterSpooler service handles all print jobs sent to your printer. Step 5. Change the startup type from automatic to disabled and then click Apply and OK. Disabling it temporarily stops the service so we can safely clear the print queue. Step 6. Right-click on the Start icon again and click on Run to open the Run dialog once more. Step 7. Type Spool and click OK. This will open the folder where all pending print jobs are stored on your computer. Step 8. In the Printers folder that appears, select all the print jobs and delete them. This clears the entire print queue so nothing is stuck. Step 9. If you only want to remove specific print jobs, simply select the ones you need to delete and remove them. This is useful if you don't want to clear the entire queue. Step 10. Right-click on the Start icon again, click Run, type services.msc, and click OK to reopen the Services window. Step 11. Find PrinterSpooler again, double-click on it, and change the startup type back to automatic. Then click Apply and OK. This restarts the service so your printer works normally. Step 12. Now the PrinterSpooler and queue are fully cleared, and your printer should be ready to use without any stuck jobs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.